Take a ride in the 2022 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, illuminated entry, navigation system. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.